Ransomware attacks don't just lock files. They can shut down an entire business. Knowing how to respond quickly and correctly can determine how fast you recover. The first step is containment. Immediately disconnect infected systems from the network to prevent ransomware from spreading to other devices or servers. Next, determine which systems were infected, including computers, servers, cloud services, and backups. Understanding the scope of the attack guides recovery. Paying the ransom does not guarantee recovery and often leads to repeat attacks. Secure recovery focuses on restoring clean systems, not negotiating with criminals. Restoration should come from secure, tested backups. Proper backups allow businesses to recover systems without paying a ransom. Once systems are restored, vulnerabilities must be addressed. Patch systems strengthen endpoint protection and improve monitoring to prevent future attacks. An MSP brings all this together. SecureTech Group helps businesses respond to ransomware incidents, restore operations, and implement security-first protections that reduce downtime and future risk. If your business has experienced a ransomware attack or wants to be prepared, SecureTech Group is here to help.